Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you through our 2020 Mastercraft XT22. This boat's a 22-foot boat, all white with the brown interior. It's got the tan SeaDek fiberglass swim deck. Going up through here, it's got the SeaDek step on the back of the boat. Going through, we got the ski tow bar. This boat also has wakeboard tower with Klish speakers and the folding wakeboard swivel racks. Walking on through, this has the decadence flooring. It's very cool, stays nice and cool, feels good on your feet. It also comes out very easy to clean, so it makes it very nice. Over here in the cockpit, this has the 4-inch screen with the Klish command center, digital gauges, nice little cell phone holder right over here, glove box. Walk through, great wide bow, 2 Klish speakers up there, 4 cup holders, such a big open layout, nice contoured seats. Ergonomically, it sets up, you're sitting here in the corner, you're facing back towards what's going on in the back of the boat, not looking through the windshield. Very strategically designed, very, very nice wide bow boat, fantastic riding. This boat has the 6-liter engine, Gen 2 surf system. Makes a huge wave for wake surfing. It's a very customizable wave though for everybody, all ages, heights, and sizes. Great wakeboard boat, and also boat water skis very well. So fantastic, fantastic boat. Has the really nice sleek wraparound windshield. Easy to take these down and fold the tower down if need to for storage or getting under a bridge. So come on out and check out our Mastercraft, our 2020 XT22 at MarineMax in Greenville, or you can go on our website, MarineMaxGreenville.com, or call us at 864-236-9005.